If you've got a custom size shower, there's a couple different things you can do to get a pan that won't cost you as much money. One is to use a pan called a flex pan. Another option, if the flex pan size doesn't work, is to go with a cultured stone pan where we can put the drain anywhere you want. So even though it's a custom pan, by the fact of not having to move the drain, it will save you money.
A good option to DIY your own shower without making it look cheap, but not spending a lot of money, would be our waterproof laminate panels.
We ship direct to homeowner. We provide, install instructions. We show you install videos, and we have a multitude of different options as far as bases and wall panels goes.
One way to get a glass enclosure to work with any size shower pan is to use a system that is modular. And one such system would be a glass block shower, where literally we can design a shower pan and glass block wall to fit any size space or any type of opening you'd like to get into that space.
So again, if you have a non-standard size, but you don't want the maintenance of tile, the pans that they make nowadays, especially a solid surface pan, can be made any size.
We also offer a PVC composite panel, which looks like stone, and those are very easily cut, lightweight, and can be cut to size also.
And also a cultured stone solid surface line that all can accommodate a grout-free situation and a custom size.
So you're looking to add soap space. The nice thing about certain products that are out there is they make the niches. And the nice thing about a niche is it doesn't take away from the space of your shower area.
We have videos that show you how to install those as well. If you have questions, we have product specialists that can help you get through that process.